Hello, this is Kareen from Shakes Bakes, and right now we're going to be making our own powdered eggs at home. Many times recipes call for this ingredient. You may not know how to do it, so I'm going to give you some quick instructions on how to get this done. First off, we need some scrambled eggs, just cooked down, just regular scrambled. This is 1 egg. Need a spoon, some foil paper, some sort of food processor, coffee grinder, or anything like this. This in particular is the Magic Bullet, and it's just a small food processor. And that's it. Of course, we need an oven. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our eggs, take a little bit of foil, kind of make it into like a bowl sort of situation. Then you want to take your spoon, scoop it right in. I cut up my eggs, which you want to do as well, just so that it can dry out faster. At this point, I'm going to put this in the oven for 10 hours at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So we want to get this to about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, for 10 hours, I'm going to put it in like so. And I'll be back. So it's been about 10 hours, and we're going to see how our eggs look. Okay? So our eggs are pretty dry, and at this point what we want to do is we want to take it and put it into our food processor. Grind it up as fine as we can. See how that goes. Let's see what we got. And guys, look at what we have here. We have our own homemade egg powder. That's simple. Ooh, look at all that. Take our spoon to get some of this up. Yep. And you just use however much your recipe calls for.